No, we're just kidding about the cheese, but it's one of those deals, if you know, you know. But in all seriousness, we finally have a 9901 Cobra-style amber tail lights designed for the 1999 to 2004 Mustang. I'm holding back a lot of excitement, but it's really excited to sit here and talk about amber tail lights. This one has been a long time coming. We're very happy to have these available now in the LMR catalog. You know, we're a bunch of Mustang folks making Mustang parts, so hopefully you new Edge owners appreciate this one. This is a factory style light. We've incorporated all the factory dimensions and tolerances from a 99-2001 Cobra style amber tail light. As far as wiring goes, we do have solutions available on the website. We're not going to rabbit hole that in this video. We just wanted to talk about the light specifically, but definitely go check out LMR.com and you will see the wiring solutions for the LMR products amber tail light. But other than that, there's a lot to talk about, but there's not a lot to talk about when it comes to a tail light. But as you can see here on this 2004 Azure Blue Mach 1, the amber lenses definitely pop against this blue paint. And that's going to be the case for pretty much any 1999 to 2004 New Edge car. Take a look at the back of the light. It's pretty simple. You'll have your little vent tubes to help keep moisture and stuff out of the lights. Everything else is properly situated, such as the studs that pass through the rear section of the car. And then the LMR light will also feature the correct textured plastic shroud around kind of the inside portion of the tail light assembly. There are just a few small subtle differences with the LMR light versus the OEM light. One of those are going to be the edges or corners of the amber lenses. The LMR light, it'll have a little bit more of a point versus the Ford one was a little more rounded. The height of the amber lenses are also just a tad shorter on the LMR light versus the original light. And then here on the reverse lens, there will be a witness mark from the injection mold process, which that is not on an original light. But everything else, again, gonna be correct to what the OEM light had. But like I said earlier, we're Mustang people making Mustang parts. When you shop with us, this is what we're doing with it. You know, we're turning it around and you know, we're chasing the parts that people want. We always have our ear to the ground. We have a watchful eye, and some of this stuff, you know, we want it to come to fruition, and that's exactly what happened here with the 99-2001 Cobra style amber tail lights. So I hope y'all appreciate this one. Like I said, long time coming. It was quite the journey. We're glad to have these in the catalog. Go buy some. Appreciate y'all watching. If you find value in what we're doing, please consider liking the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications. And then until we see you in the next one, for all things New Edge Mustang, keep it right here with the Real Enthusiast, LMR.